and your local coaches see adena yemfa national teams in farm home. So you did teams in the moment. So result of the mind.
Answer nebedi local coach na sem. Mami bear 5 minutes we na memfanka what is really happening with Vinicius Jr issue.
Okay. To Arsenal.
Yes, mami check no mo kitwe bi. Say ne be ya tie for ne ahwefo will understand what is really happening. Say Rich, Kobe over 1.5 years in you. And a Spanish media never reported say Real Madrid and Vinicius Jr. Didn't come about contract renewal. Ebi seen ne, and see it. And a Arsenal who said, as a tukrobi da one where you bet me room. But what is really happening? Rich, I remember in 2018. And Real Madrid by announced say Omako Flamingo no mako who young guy be na oye top potential. Enti as at the time omo the 45 million euros kwa kotono every Brazil aba. Rich in 2018 on si eka se obisi akan wo Brazil na ye de 45 million kwa kotono, then it means the guy
is big.
And any team bia to say Madrid who have seen players over the years, among whom players. And today na Madrid be who small boy be or Brazil where you ready say obetinye to 45 million. Rich, sign our brand any Vini Jr. And Madrid ko fa ne buy. Oba any early days na emfa o. But in kakran and a farmer Vini. Now in 2022, Yakobo Kata FIFA World Cup no. And Madrid offer a contract renewal not only to Vini, Rodrigo the Ghost Kahon, Eda Militao Kahon, and some few other players. Now Madrid contract renewal offer no more players no. Rich saying na contract renewal no etie. Okay. And at the company bia. Rich almost okay, you were 2022. Ye ma contract offer. Ebi SC 2027. ABC 2028. ABC 2029. For all the players, more now who choose so many years, more now who seek an cost. Then you are committing more years to us. Meaning say make what you say. And we are in 2022. Contract offer now Real Madrid and the players, Ebi SC offer ABC 2027. ABC 2028. ABC 2029. Emubiano more now years now who choose to renew no. I want any no. More now who seek some cost. Madrid make offer no to Vini and any agents and any papa no. Rich and almost say 2022 Vini was starting a hit form Emma Real Madrid. Obakaya it was around that time when and a Vini Akoshe the only go in the Champions League final at Liverpool. Ama Real Madrid at the Champions League. He was starting to become the superstar of the Real Madrid team. And see the agents and any papa any brand energy to say they will go out of the tray of a sled money. They will go for the short term one. No? I be ending in 2027 no because omujiri say so assign short term na the way our branch increasingly all grow to become the poster boy of Real Madrid no. Rich more than years na kakra bi no more na the negotiation no ebo no side on no be che sika or pay any sound of monumenti and me enko 2028 me enko 2029 yen sign short one 2027. Rich and Vini assign the short one 2027. Now, short one now Vini sign had the salary, performance bonuses, and no more betting Real Madrid aje. Inti within that time in another FIFA best player any sound no man. Inti the offer no omuye negotiation you no. Now Real Madrid to Vini 18 million net per every season. You can say 80 million net. I can say yatiti ni BBR film no. The Elko Vini account to me every season be 18 million. Then Vini signed to 2027. Now Rich, send him for you, my human. Omon Tinase, Emma contract and bang pa and no money negotiation. Until from 2022. Who so Vini as a contract to 2027 no 2025 January and I'm go for no say chale aka 2 years o nti any Vini nkodi nkomo nti Mekai Jose Angel Sanchez and Madrid chief scout Efeno Junior Calafat and ekushia 2 agents of Vinicius Jr onu Vinicius nankasemu any Vinicius papa over the bebas January 2025 as I'm making rich omuko shia no and I remember for say uchi 18 million now we want to improve it to 20 million necessary contract extension my rich Vinicius agents no and then the papa te almost say na remember for come when am ni edi 2 million increment back for the abranti yen nyina achi
esa
dabi yenchi enti wonim do mo ye rich anomo so ma omo a counter offer a normal in company rich the counter offer na Real Madrid Vinicius Edema Real Madrid no and Real Madrid so rejected counter offer no that was in January 2025 in April 2025 and marker among Spanish media for instance so much oh Real Madrid ni Vini a reach agreement on ba extend the contract no e ho na Vini camp by say na be dey no cry e man obi and adam you no reach any agreement enti it was that time no April ho no reach and the man say for say then again a course in January ABC nei contract no o man timi achieve. That is when they realize say oh Real Madrid went to offer 20 million from the 18 now branch and edge no and Vinicius say on peneso na Vinicius counter offer no say na net here rich Vinicius say omumpejemu from 18 to 30 na ni breakdown of 30 in here apart from the salary ni image right no rich obeji Real Madrid adia ye fe no renewal bonus
okay
inti sanka o rich o high na multimedia force you external contract o external contract ye be ma o sika say account sika o je hunu sa na wo ka chom so o sanka no no ma sekum sa sika o ba baby fofra e na o je signing non bonus and ache posting fee but we dey wo say o renew contract no they should give you what it's called renewal bonus for Saudi and remember they say renewal bonus the yentia bi o hada
we dey go fan way.
It has never even happened in the history of the club. And see a man renewal bonus. Then we are opening the doors for Obia Obe renew the contract. We have to also come in and say, oh, and me renew no, mama me renewal bonus. But Rich, Vinicius also in the camp no, and the papa say the only way they can get that 30 million no, and through the renewal bonus. And no, then they create a certain portfolio for you to pay maybe 10 million and unquire renewal bonus. Now for 20 no. Kamode ba mama dada na mo di aka ho omu enchi omu ne say na say 30 million na ye busa mo samo mfama ye no the same thing na Kylian Mbappe edge enti dia na si me ho kwan say me so me busa 30 million and Real Madrid for catch Vinicius say Kylian Mbappe 30 na original it is because in 2024 na ye kwakofa Vinicius Kylian Mbappe
free.
He came on the free transfer.
On the NGS cap.
Any transfer money and no or just signing on fee. I said no fee ni yati chema. Who say a gugu ne salary ne so a man get 30 million every season, you know. And you say bia yesika bia a Bruce bia. Vinicius say say Kylian Mbappe eba free e just signing on fee. What chema dia gugu ne salary so man do 30 million. That is why he is also proposing to you, Momo say, the only way he can get to that amount is to also get a renewal bonus. Now, Rich, Medema no see no. Say for years, the BIA transfer nkoma. I have told you, say, Adia na Emma first, no, Italian football were so good on transfer. They say, Omuni Skentina, Omano Abafom. Spanish football. They know me the BT England for no. The appointment of sporting directors. Sporting directors are more experienced on the transfer markets. Only the NTR Arsenal all of a sudden. Arsenal are really doing this because it is not in the DNA of Arsenal in the past.
As 150 million. Akoto player.
The assistant say, Rich, Arsenal now, after Edu Koyeno, one of them as a sporting director, Andre Beta, here, Juma Atletico Madrid for a long time. And he or the Spanish football sporting director operations, Abba Arsenal. And he Andre Beta, and the sources in Spain, I catch and say, Charlie, and no more cost between Vinicius and Real Madrid, no. God will be the whole. Some more problem, give it to me, Rasa to Kronim. Under better as a sporting director, put together the dossier, presented it to Arsenal hierarchy in the board. No, Arsenal honestly so. Say, who under better? I go for a sporting director. No, these are the kind of game changing moves. And until they go for buying. So who catch it and say there's a way we can get obedient Vinicius about Arsenal. Now crying the whole year. Oh, we are all for it. Go into the negotiations. Now, Rich, what has Arsenal done? Andre Bete share Vini and then the company. And what Tom project in our Arsenal nama omo. And what catch omo say number 1. Mikel Arteta an admirer of Vinny Jr. Open as and papa. And who say on Arteta didn't come say there's a potential so between Vinny Aba. Na Arteta that is not the Vinny Shemua. A kuye maximum gidi. And that's a Vinny bar. Say the whole struggle of Real Madrid to be the star boy. Arsenal the Ubaya. I am following Martin Odegaard. Automatically you become the star boy of the project. Number 2, a basic Samoa. Arsenal is ready. Say, sad difference of renewal bonus, signing on bonus now. Vini Enya Ewo Real Madrid no. They are ready to give him. And they will pay Real Madrid transfer bonus no, which omugidi say aka maintain 1 year pay on the contract no. Omuntie sika he be ama Real Madrid. Then the rest of some money no, they will package it into a signing on fee for Abanti FN Vinicius Jr. They will add performance bonuses and other ones no. Say the be Vinicius ebenye sika na all pa Real Madrid for Emfa no. That is the proposal at Arsenal. Aye Ediamano. Then the last thing, Omusio say Real Madrid. You share your image rights largely with the club. Kakrebi na weba side.
How can I between the nama?
Image, you can't image right. We are talking about Vinicius Ankasa ne endorsement obenya and endorsement sponsorships obenya and conform do major ton dia be so advertising momo no. Say who club Sibia rich. Sa endorsement in the bar, the money goes to the club. Arsenal see they are ready say money Vinicius be din komo. Na oba Arsenal. Every endorsement deal be obenyas our Arsenal no omone no become majority of sika no aba be count no sika no. Rich, don't underestimate what Arsenal are doing. Sanka ayetete Arsenal na and I won't doubt I don't have a problem, but now they have an experienced European sporting director and they say they winning Atletico Madrid pe player the oyen no. Say they winning Barcelona, Real Madrid, Juventus, AC Milan of the past, Inter Milan. Sadia na omu exporting directors no. Etimi venture into the transfer market, use some 1 or 2 negotiations, any experience to get player no. Who say on Arsenal now, it was Sadia nibi because of Andre Beta. And if they tell you they are making a move, Rich and Vinicius, any the first option is to stay at Real Madrid. And they will do everything to make sure say Real Madrid move and I say enye. But Rich say anye ne to so ma. And you expect what you don't expect. Arsenal are going to bring Vinicius Jr. wear him the red and white jersey, unveil him at the Emirates. He will be a player in the Premier League. And Oba Junior Walker say, hey. They've been able
me for instance, to be honest. And yes, Arsenal in this case, Arsenal was canon. It's Arsenal and Yetimo this guy.
But they are not that kind of club.
And the two, now it was Vinicius Jr. You should Arsenal. And they are Pedro Benyao Real Madrid.
You see, and there are sometimes agents can come in with those stories.
So
just to
but
now also who say we baby Arsenal abemu e Vinicius story in free banner. It was not sir agency media outlet stories in Libya. These were stories carried by Athletic, Sky, and prominent ones now. BBC more or more credibility emiagono. And they don't agency in team friends so Charlie. Yes, story, mommy. Name some fanko pad mepe. These were credible media houses telling you something is happening. And I've given you a reference point. Andre Betam Kuenti, now as a sporting director for Arsenal, Rich. So movie into sa baby I won't no betting in the past na GD because there's a new person there who can take them to that space.
It
is really happening.
Future award the insurance 4.5 now. Yemedin komo fie na yensha semfen free at the Black Starlights under 20. Kane only Ghana ni bi adin koma. Under 20 de near the hwa hwa pa